Hi all, welcome to another video tutorial of Easy Way to Automation. In our last video, we saw how to set up a karate framework and how can we create a feature file and how can we run that feature file using main method. So today we are going to see how can we execute karate framework from command line interface. So to execute your runner file, you must have created a runner file, right? We have also created. So if you have a runner file where you have the main method, then you can execute the same from command line interface, but you need a plugin for that. So I can write it over here, plugin required. Exec-maven-plugin. Okay, so this particular plugin, we have to add it as a dependency in our pom.xml file. So what I can do is I can copy this. I'll go to Google website and I can search for it. Click on the first link. Click on goals. If you scroll down, you will see. So we are using Maven. Okay. So make sure like if you are using Maven, you should have 3.6.3 minimum version required 3.6.3. You must be knowing how to install Maven, right? If you don't know, then you can watch my previous video tutorial how to install Maven on Windows. And you should have JDK also, Java Development Kit 1.8. But we have installed Java 17. That means we are ready to go. So what we have to do here is we have to add this as a dependency. So what I can do here is I'll just go to pom.xml file. Let's go to pom.xml file. So after dependencies, I'll just write here build. Then I'll just write here plugins. Then I can copy from here to here. And paste it over here. So let's refresh it so that it will download the required jars. After that, we have to set up one configuration, because if you see, we have created this runner test, right? Execute test, and here we have a main method, but we have created this runner file under src test Java. So our main method is present inside a class file, and that class file is present inside src test Java. So if you run this, then actually it will not detect your class file containing main method, right? So we have to explicitly define where our class file is present. So to do that, I have to write here configuration. Then I can mention the class path scope. And here I'll write test. That's it. So here I have explicitly mentioned I have a class under src test Java, and in that particular class I have the main method. Okay. So by default it will search for a class file under src main Java, but we have kept our class file inside src test Java, due to which I had to explicitly mention our class path scope. Let's save this. So to run this, what we have to do is we have to set the configuration, run configuration. So let's set it up. So I can click here, Maven. Then I have to write the command. Okay, so if I go here, so if you see, I have to use this. Okay, so what I have to do here is I can write command and I can mention where my main method is present. So this is my goal, right? So I have to set this goal. So I'll go here. I can click on this particular icon, execute Maven goal. Then I can write Maven clean so that it will clean my target folder. After that, I have to do the compilation. So I can write test compile. Then I can write execute Java. Dot main class is equal to, so I have to mention my class name. So my class name is execute test, right? So I can just write here execute test. Okay, so this is my command. Okay, and here I am mentioning the goal. Okay, so first I have to clean my project so that it will remove everything from the target folder. Then I have to do the compilation. After that I have to execute this particular class file, execute test. Okay, because this particular class file contains main method. So if I hit enter, it will execute. We have got one error. Let's see what is the problem. Let me re-execute it. So we are getting this exception, right? Class not found exception. Okay. So probably it is not able to find our class. So okay, what we can do here is let's go here, execute Maven goal again. Okay. So here, yeah. So we have to write clean test compile. So this is our goal, exec colon Java. Then we are writing -d exec dot main class. Okay, so this time actually we have to provide our class along with its package. So let com dot, yeah, it is coming. Okay, take this, okay, com.karate.runner.ExecuteTest, because if you see, we have given our class path scope, okay, that is test, but here actually I have created a package, right, com.karate.runner, and inside this I have the class file. So I have to give the class file along with the package name, then I will hit enter. Okay, so it has executed our test successfully, and this is our summary report. If I click here, automatically it will open my test execution report. Okay, and same actually we can create a batch file and we can also execute it. I will open one notepad. So this is my root project folder. So I can write here cd and I'll give the path to my root project folder. After that, whatever command we were executing, right? I will click here. And this was the command which we executed. The first one. I was trying to copy it. Yeah. So I will copy it and I will go here and I will paste it over here. Then I will give pause and I will save it as a batch file. So in the root project folder, I will save it and I will name it as runner.bat. I will select all files from here and I will save it. Now I will go to the root project folder and all I have to do is I just have to double click on this batch file to execute. So let's do that. So it will compile, it will first clean, then compile, then it will test our, and it will test our, or it will execute our class containing main method. So now the execution is over. So I can go to target karate reports. So this is our test execution report. I'll click on it, double click on it. So it has created our test execution report. And these are the test steps. So this is how we can execute our runner file or karate framework from command line interface. I hope you found this video useful. If you like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.